Guys, welcome back. Join me make this very delicious palm oil noodles. Guys, trust me when I say this is not your regular. This is absolutely delicious and very easy to make. So guys, let's get started.
More music on DavePlay.com.
No bad, and things they had it. Very many people no happy. You dey wonder when it go good. You don't try so day, you don't tire, you won't give up, you won't run away. That is no easy at all. It dey hard some more. With the patience, the hard work and prayer, it must go good.
More music on DavePlay.com.
Condition no bad.